Leverage SOLIDWORKS' built-in routing capabilities to design complex piping or tubing systems. New pipe routes can be quickly added to an existing design by dragging and dropping a flange from the extensive design library into an assembly. The component automatically resizes to perfectly fit the connection port. Once the basic properties for the new piping subassembly have been defined, you can start creating tubes and pipes or insert flanges to connect more tanks. Since they auto-size themselves, you don't have to guess or make measurements each time. You can draw in any direction to define the pipes and connect the equipment. As you sketch, SOLIDWORKS automatically adds elbows and creates the pipes based on the information provided. So it's really fast and easy to run pipes and tubes within your design. However, you can use the auto-route capabilities to speed up the process even more. The auto-route tool allows you to route pipes by simply selecting a start and end point. It also provides different alternatives, so you can choose from the various orthogonal possibilities to find the best solution. Then you can dynamically reroute the conduits and also add dimensions to make sure the clearance is maintained. Finally, piping and instrumentation diagram can be used to seamlessly integrate complex piping systems. Use data exported from a third-party application to quickly insert the required components and also to keep track of the project's advancement. Selecting a piping system displays the status of the connected equipment and inline fitting. The components that still need to be inserted are flagged as red, so you are always aware of what's left to do. When processing a pipe, SOLIDWORKS loads and prompts you to place the missing part, and you can always partially create pipes in order to achieve exactly the result you are looking for. Inline fittings, T's, and valves automatically snap into place, adjust to the pipe size, and can be rotated to the desired angle using the keyboard. Pipe segments are also highlighted, letting you know exactly where the next part needs to be placed. You can simply drop the valve onto the segment and it will split and adjust the pipe. The connection dialog box shows all the remaining sections using guidelines to clearly indicate the layout. Directly from the graphic area, you can convert these guidelines with the click of a button and even cycle through all the solutions to once again choose the best alternative. It's very simple to plan, integrate, and adjust one or more routed systems. You have complete control over your design and can keep track of the project advancement, helping you to prevent errors. It only takes a few minutes to complete your pipe system, and it is just as simple to create spools or accurate and up-to-date piping isometric drawings. SOLIDWORKS applications provide great capabilities you can use right away for design, simulation, communication, and file management to work faster and make your products better. Explore all the features in the demo library or contact your nearest SOLIDWORKS reseller.